I wake up in the morning and I see another new day. Rain or shine, well, I don't mind, I'll never be alone. I've got my friends and in the end, as long as we're together, it's all for one and one for all, as everybody knows. That's what friends are for. That's what friends are for. That's what friends are for.
Archie and Roller-Polar are still sleeping. Dawdle is playing a game with some of the baby rabbits, but they're in for a big surprise.
Right then, now we'll all play hide and seek. I'll count to 10, you hide. 1, 2, 3, and... No, what are you doing? No, you're not playing right. You're supposed to hide and I come and seek you. But what is it? What? It's a snake! Oh, there's a snake in our meadow. We've never had a snake in our meadow. We don't want a snake in our meadow.
Hey, where am I? Hey, you penguins, you should be in the South Pole. Oh, don't worry, Archie. Just having a nightmare. What's all this shouting about?
It's green and over there in the long grass. Oh, we've never had one in the meadow before, and it's dangerous.
Oh, yeah, morning, Dawdle.
It's over there, Roller-Polar.
And turn. Keep your muscles fit and firm.
Listen.
What?
There's a...
Now, if you did regular exercises like me, 1 and 2... Don't take it so personally.
There's a snake in the meadow.
We don't have snakes in the meadow.
Oh, we do now. A snake. A real snake. I just saw it.
No, you just dreamt it.
No, I didn't. It's over there in the long grass.
Oh, I think you're right. Well, no, don't panic. Don't panic. We mustn't rush into anything. Snakes can be very dangerous. You really sure it was a snake?
Yes, of course I'm sure. Why don't you go and see for yourself?
Yes, I will. in a minute. Yeah. But we'd better work out a plan of how, how we're going to capture it. Because I remember, you see, when I was in the jungle...
In the jungle? Oh, I didn't know you'd even been in the jungle.
Well, if you must know, I was at the North Pole and I got lost. Anyway, I was tracking a tiger at the time. It looked a bit like Archie, only because it was much bigger, of course. I've got you! Hey! What?
Yes. What happened next?
I escaped.
Yes, well, that's a lesson in how not to catch a snake. But how are we going to catch this one?
Yes. How? Yes. Yeah. Well, we'll have to set traps all over the meadow. And that'll soon be the end of your snake, Dawdle. Now, you bend the tree like this. Just put your foot on it, Dawdle. That's right. Hold it steady. And then we tie the string around it. Catch hold of the other end, Archie. Move out of the way, you hedgehogs. Oh, dear.
Can I take my foot off it yet?
Yes, you can. No! Whew. Archie, will you watch what you are doing?
But how does it work?
How does it work? It's oblivious, isn't it? You have to wait until the snake crawls across the string. He slithers over the loop like this, you see, and then whoosh! The trap springs through the air and catches the snake like that. And that's how it works.
Oh, look, Archie. We've caught a roller polar bear.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, very amusing, I don't think.
Well, I suppose they'll work. Do be careful, Archie. We don't want you to get trapped like Roller Polar.
Yes. Well, at least we know that it works. Oh! Ow! Ow!
I get the feeling that we're being watched.
Only the hedgehogs and the rabbits and that squirrel. They always have to poke their noses into everything. So I'll just get my bath. We'll show that snake it's not welcome here. And then we put one by the gate, one by the burrows, and another under the tree. Yeah, we'll show that snake.
Wake up, Roller Polar. I can see one of the traps and it's caught something.
You're right. We've got him. We've trapped the snake.
And there must be more than one snake. The trap over by the burrows has caught something too.
Yes. Perhaps we better take a look. Well, it wasn't my fault. I can't help it if nobody listens to a word I say. Never knew so many inquisitive creatures. Ooh.
Well, that's all of them free, except for... Oh, look out! Roller Polar!
Ooh. Ow! 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 Oh, no gratitude! Ouch!
Oh, what do we do now? That snake's still out there somewhere.
There's only one thing for it. We will have to attack.
Attack?
Yes, attack. In full battle order, I shall provide you with the weapons. Right. Troops, forward, ho!
Right. Oh, sorry.
1, 2, 3, charge!
That's my tail.
Got it. Got it. It's an old hose pipe.
But it does look like a snake. Don't you think?
Dawdle!
I wake up in the morning and I see another new day. Rain or shine, well, I don't mind, I'll never be alone. I've got my friends, and in the end, as long as we're together, it's all for one and one for all, as everybody knows.